They say this city never sleeps, and when you look at these lights, you understand why. From the neon glow of Times Square to the quieter corners of Manhattan, the energy here is something you won't find anywhere else. Walking these streets at night feels unreal, almost like a dream. The rain hits the pavement, reflecting the city's soul, turning the streets into a canvas of light and color. Every yellow cab, every flashing sign tells a story of ambition, of hope, of always moving forward. But if you really want to feel the heartbeat of New York, you have to go underground. The subway is the city's bloodstream. It's loud, it's messy, and it never slows down. Millions of lives crossing paths every single day, all chasing somewhere else to be. It's raw, it's gritty, and it's real. And somehow, in all that chaos, there are moments of comfort. The smell of fresh pizza from a corner shop, steam rising from a late-night coffee cart. In a city of millions, these small, glowing spaces are where life happens, where friends meet and strangers don't feel so alone. As you walk toward the water, the noise slowly fades away. The Brooklyn Bridge stretches across the night, connecting the city beneath a sky full of stars. And from here, the skyline takes your breath away, a concrete jungle glowing gold against the darkness. It reminds you how small we are and how big our dreams can be. Even in the city that never sleeps, silence exists if you know where to find it. The parks, the quiet streets, the empty benches under a street lamp. Just a moment to breathe and be present. New York at night isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a reminder that no matter how dark it gets, there's always a light leading you forward. Until next time, keep exploring.